All right, do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison? All right, so you're gonna have to change your ways and stop hanging around people who mean you no good. Like Travion, that is not your relative. It sounds like he's a distant cousin's boyfriend.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Court is calling 2024 CR 011615 and 2024 CR 011616 State versus Ahmad Brown. Could I have parties approach and announce for the record for the state? Defense. All right, and are you Ahmad Brown? Am I pronouncing your first name correctly? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
And each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Your Honor.
And each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? State. And cause number 2024 CR 11615, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Oh, Your Honor, waiving computer enhancement.
Any objection?
No objection.
And cause number 2024 CR 011616, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
All right. And cause number ending in 16, you're charged with an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon. And cause number ending in 15, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams. Each of those are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand in each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Brown, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The cause numbers will run concurrently with each other, and the state will take in consideration NIMAC number 748278. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, in each cause number, do you have any evidence to support the plea?
Be contained in exhibit 1 and attachment.
Well, we have no objections to either case.
All right, and state, do you have the dismissal?
Yes, sir.
All right. In each cause number, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Sorry, in each cause number, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney. Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, in each cause number, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right. What is your relationship to Trayvon Damon Allen? How so?
Cousin's boyfriend.
Oh, so that's your cousin's boyfriend? All right. This is what the court, are we proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right, and cause number 2024 CR 011615. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 011616. Take in consideration night mag number 748278. And there's to be no contact with Travion, TRAEYVON, Damon, DAM, Allen. All right. And cause number 2024 CR 011616. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, credit for any time served, $2,000 fine, time and money to run concurrent. This is run concurrent with 2024 CR 011615. Take in consideration night mag number 742878. There's to be no contact with Travion Damon Allen. And each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? All right, because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. How old are you? All right, do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison? All right, so you're gonna have to change your ways and stop hanging around people who mean you no good. Like Travion, that is not your relative. It sounds like he's a distant cousin's boyfriend. You know, I don't know where we've got into this place in our society where boyfriends of a cousin becomes family. They're not married. He doesn't have any commitment to your family, and he doesn't have any commitment to you. Because if he did, guess what he would have said? Do not be in this car with drugs because it's not allowed. Do not, you're a felon. You can't have a weapon. That's what a good person and a good family member would have been telling you. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Judge, if I may,
Yes.
his mother and father are here today. They didn't come in, and these are some of the nicest people I've ever met. They're really, and they're really concerned about him.
Mhm.
And they're giving me some history on him, and he's got some mental health issues. Can you in prison, can you make him the therapeutic or the mental health?
Yes, I'll ask for the therapeutic community and I'll note mental health issues.
And also I have, to speak what you've done with him, I have told him how fortunate he is to have the parents that he has. I
Oh,
don't
yes.
see that very often. Parents that are really good people, really carry it like they are. And hopefully he'll think about that when he gets out. He'll respect his parents a little more.
All right, do you love your parents? How much? All right, so stop breaking their heart. They want what's best for you. And I don't know why, this is another thing too. Children will take the advice of a stranger before they take the advice of your parent. Now, it appears that your parents are good people. So guess what? What they're telling you, they're not telling you to hurt you. They're telling you so that you maybe won't make the same mistakes they made. Because believe it or not, parents have already lived their life. They know that you shouldn't be making a right turn or don't go down that dark road. You understand? So listen to them. All right. And you're going to prison, but guess what? Any time in prison is bad, but it's not the end of the world. You're still alive. You can still do better. You understand? So when you go there, make sure if you want to get a degree in something, get a degree. It's free. All right. All right. Good luck to you. Thank you.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.